The internet is buzzing with outrage as stores are selling fake fruits. Shoppers have reported finding watermelons with skins that peel off like stickers and don't break easily, resembling rubber. Ari Osborne shared a video detailing her experience with what she believed were organic blueberries from Whole Foods. When she disposed of some in the garbage disposal, she heard an unusual sound. Upon investigation, she discovered a blueberry that wouldn't break apart and appeared to be made of rubber.
Go in the drain and there's a blueberry that's not breaking apart, it's not doing anything. It's what's making the noise.
She expressed her frustration, wondering why a rubber blueberry was found in her toddler's snack. Others have confirmed similar experiences, with some suggesting these might be 3D printed foods, similar to 3D printed meat. One user claimed to have bought a fake banana from Costco, while another reported a suspicious watermelon from Sam's Club. The authenticity and safety of fruits are being called into question by many concerned consumers. A woman is going viral for leaving her kid unsupervised jumping on people's bags at a bus station. Everyone was upset that she stood by without stopping him. The kid seemed to be misbehaving as when asked to get off, he refused. The child continued running around, messing with bags while his mother was nowhere to be seen. When he went outside alone, he kept handling people's bags. He even took a woman's bag and rolled it outside. That's when people got annoyed because the mother didn't seem to do much about it. Concerns grew when the child ran into the area where bags were being loaded onto the bus, prompting employees to call for the mother to take action.
Are you recording me?
I don't record.
You are?
And the internet found it odd that the mother seemed more concerned about being on camera than being worried about her child running around the bus station, including right next to the bus.